Working on the '03 Dodge today. Replacing a headlamp. Already took it out. I think somebody hit me right here. Broke my running light right there. Anyway, I have the old one out. There are 3 bolts. Here. Here. And one right there. This little one right here takes a long extension. Right here, quarter inch drive, number 10 millimeter to get that out. The other 2 bolts are easy. This is the other side. 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here. This little guard right here will actually come right off of these clips like that. So you can leave these 2 screws intact. Getting this little guy out is kind of a hassle. I don't know if you can see in there, but that bolt is right in there. 1/4 inch drive, long extension, and a 10 millimeter will get it out. Real simple project. To get this guy out, I took the 3 bolts out. I had to push this a little bit because it kept wanting to catch right there. This is your headlamp. It just unscrews out. This is the running lamp. Here's my running lamp, and it's a clip right here. Just use a screwdriver right here to pull that out. This bulb is toast. Luckily, the new one, my new headlamps, come with new bulbs. There's the new one. Comes with new bulbs. Shiny plastic. Nice and clear. Comes with the bulbs, or at least for my running lamp. I don't see a bulb here. Right here's your headlamp. Right here's the running lamp, so I'll just plug right in. Gonna go ahead and install it. So lights are plugged in. This just rotates. You push it in and it rotates. Comes out real easy too, and it's nice and snug. Make sure it's nice and snug when it's fit in there. This little guy, same deal. It just plugs in. Real simple. And then this is just going to insert, and I'll put my bolts in. Should be no problem. On the old headlight, there's some guides that go in here. This right here is a guide, and then this right here is a clip. Well, the other part of the clip remains in the vehicle. Right there. Well, the new lights have the clip installed. Make sure you take this off before you install the new one. Either take this one off or take that one out, because you can't put them both in there. One's got to come out. Don't make that mistake, because you'll install this thing like I did and then have to uninstall it. Other than that, fits up real nice. In on this side, same situation. Right here is the clip off the new light. Well, I took it off from here because there is an existing one right up in there. So either take that one out or take this one off. Real important. Goes right there. This right here is a guide. Headlamps are in. They look real sweet. The biggest issue on this project was that you need to have a 1/4 inch drive number 10 to get this bolt right here. Anyway, thanks for watching.